In this video, I will show you how to use split screen in Windows 11. Now, to get started from your desktop, you want to first of all make sure you have enabled snap layouts. So to do that, come down to your taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, you want to type settings and then open up your settings underneath best match. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto system. And from here, you want to look for an option called multitasking. Give that a click. That's going to take you into the multitasking options, and at the top, if it's currently turned off, you want to turn the switch on to snap windows. Now you can click the arrow next to this if you want to see some further options and customize this to your own preferences, but a basic overview on how to use this is once you've got it turned on, if you come and hover over the maximize button, so in the top right hand corner, you're going to see all the example layouts that you can use. So for example, if I select the one here and I click onto this one, what it's going to do is put this on the right hand side, and it's going to show all my current open windows and apps and things like that on the left hand side. What you can then do is just simply click any of these. So let's take my Discord for example, and this is going to automatically snap the windows as you can see. You can come back up to the top right hand corner, hover over the maximize button, and of course change this to however you want. But that's basically how to use split screen in Windows 11. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows 11 and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.